Hello everyone. If you are wondering how the way you can make a good quality of video, you can do these tips. So on iPhone, you just need to open your settings. And in the settings, make sure that you scroll all the way down until you found a camera section. Now we just need to tap on it. And the next thing you need to do, you can just check into the record video right here and just tap on it. There could be like a lot of options here. There could be like 720p, 1080p in HD with the 30 fps, and so on and so on. But already have like 4K quality on your video settings with the different fps. So the 4K could be the most or the highest resolution that you'll get. You can just check into this descriptions, and here is the size of the video that you take in every second that you take here. If you already set into 4K, means that every second of the video could have 400 MB size, so it could be take a lot of storage on your phone, so you have to consider that. But if you want to get the best quality or best resolution of video, just choose this 4K at 60 fps. And now we just need to go back and start recording with your camera. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming tutorial. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.